Introducing Champion Power Equipment's 3500 watt portable inverter with CO Shield. Perfect for taking on small trips, using recreationally, or to back up a few essential household items during a power outage. Champion's easy start dial takes the confusion out of starting an engine, and the telescoping handle and never flat wheels allow you to move this unit wherever you need it. And when the electrical load is reduced, the innovative economy mode provides quieter operation, extended engine life, and better fuel economy. This inverter comes travel ready with a pair of 120 volt household outlets, a 12 volt DC outlet, and a USB adapter for easy charging on the go. Or connect another unit using a Champion Paralink parallel kit to provide up to 30 amps of power directly to your RV. And for added protection, this inverter utilizes CO Shield, an auto shutoff system that will shut down the engine before dangerous levels of carbon monoxide have the chance to accumulate in your operating area. Read your operator's manual to easily get your unit up and running. Open the box to safely access the inverter. Attach the wheels. Add oil to the inverter. Move the inverter outside. Add gasoline. Start the inverter. And plug in your desired equipment. Champion's 3500 watt inverter with CO Shield. Quiet, dependable, portable power.